Brussel, November 8. Almost definite. Which was hottest of 125,000 years this year? Said in a statement on Wednesday after last month was hottest October month of world at that time. Last month, the EU's Copernicus Climate Change Service said that since 2019, it has broken down the previous October temperature record with a great difference. Record was a large margin of 0.4 degrees Celsius, said. The heat is result of greenhouse gas emissions caused by human activity with emergence of El Nino air pattern that warms surface water in eastern Pacific Ocean. Globally, the average surface air temperature in October was 1.7 degrees warmer than the same month in 18,501,900, which Copernicus described as pre-industrial period. C3s. The record-breaking October means that 2023 was almost precise to be the hottest year recorded. The first record was 2016, another El Niño year. Copernicus dataset dates back to 1940. When we combine our data with IPCC, we can say that this is the hottest year for the last 125,000 years, said. 16 Death Valley, California. Excessive heat warning sign board opinion in the United States July 15, 2023. Jorge Garcia writes UN Climate Science Panel includes long-term data from IPCC. Readings from sources such as ice seeds, tree rings and coral deposits. The other time before October violated the temperature record with such a difference. In September 2023. September really surprised us. So after last month, it's hard to determine if we're in a new climate. But now the records continue to roll and they are less surprised than a month ago, said. Most years El Niño are now recorders. Because El Niño's extra global temperature contributes to fixed ramp human-based warming. Michael Mann, climate scientist, University, Pennsylvania. This year, climate change increasingly fueled the destructive extremists. This year, floods that killed thousands of people in Libya, the violent heat waves in South America and worst forest fire season of Canada, including record-breaking floods. We should let the destructive floods, fires, storms and heat waves seen this year become new normal. Leeds University climate scientist Piers Forster said. In the next decade, we can rapidly reduce the rate of heating by reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Although countries have increasingly set more ambitious targets to gradually reduce emissions, it has not been realized so far. Global CO2 emissions reached a record level in 2022. Kate Abnett. Editing by Jan Harvey.